This is Operational Manager Todd Nordoni for July 5th, 2021 with your Tropical Storm Elsa update. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok and Facebook for the latest. Here is your Tropical Storm Elsa update for July 5th, 2021. This is a video update this morning from the TNW News Operations Department on Tropical Storm Elsa.
Got Elsa near the south coast of Cuba. Tropical storm warning extended northward along the west coast of Florida. Asterisk. A tropical storm warning is in effect for the Cuba provinces of Ciego de Avila, Sancti Spiritus, Cienfuegos, Matanzas, Clara, Mayabeque, Havana, and Artemisa. The Florida Keys from Craig Key westward to the Dry Tortugas, and the west coast of Florida from Flamingo northward to Suwannee River. Tropical storm conditions are expected in portions of central and western Cuba toda, then in the warning area of the Florida Keys tonight and along the Florida west coast beginning Tuesday. Asterisk. A storm surge watch is in effect for the west coast of Florida from Bonita Beach to the Ochlockonee River. Asterisk. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the Florida Keys from east of Craig Key to Ocean Reef, Florida Bay, and west coast of Florida north of the Suwannee River to Indian Pass. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the upper Florida Keys by tonight, and the Florida Big Bend area beginning Tuesday night. Interests in coastal Georgia and the Carolinas should monitor the progress of Elsa. Additional watches and warnings will likely be required later today. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. For storm information specific to your area outside of the United States, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. At 11 a.m. EDT, the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located about 140 miles, 225 kilometers south-southeast of Havana, Cuba. It's moving toward the northwest near 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue today, followed by a turn toward the north-northwest on Tuesday. On the forecast track, Elsa is expected to move across central and western Cuba later today and pass near the Florida Keys early Tuesday. Elsa is then forecast to move near or over portions of the west coast of Florida on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 65 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 70 miles, 110 kilometers, from the center. Some weakening is expected while the center moves over land. Slight re-strengthening is forecast after Elsa moves over the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. A storm surge will raise water levels above normal tide levels by as much as the following amounts in areas of onshore flow within the hurricane watch and warning areas. Southern coast of Cuba, 2 to 4 feet. The combination of a storm surge and the tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Bonita Beach, FL to Ochlockonee River including Tampa Bay, 2 to 4 feet. Flamingo, FL to Bonita Beach, FL, 1 to 3 feet. Ocean Reef, FL to Dry Tortugas including Florida Bay, 1 to 2 feet. Ochlockonee River to Indian Pass, 1 to 2 feet across portions of Cuba today. Rainfall of 5 to 10 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 15 inches is expected. This will result in significant flash flooding and mudslides. Across the Cayman Islands today, rainfall of 3 to 5 inches is expected. This rain may lead to scattered flash flooding. Rainfall from Elsa will impact portions of the Florida Keys, the Florida Peninsula and the coastal southeast this week. Amounts of 2 to 4 inches with localized maximum amounts up to 6 inches are expected across Florida and coastal Georgia through Wednesday, which may result in isolated flash, urban, and minor river flooding. Coastal portions of South Carolina and North Carolina are expected to receive 1 to 3 inches of rain, with local maximum amounts up to 5 inches Wednesday into Thursday, which could lead to isolated flash and urban flooding. A few tornadoes are possible across South Florida tonight and across the Florida Peninsula on Tuesday. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 5 p.m. EDT with an intermediate advisory at 2 p.m. EDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with your morning tropical storm Elsa update. You can find the 2 p.m. intermediate update on our social media pages. We will be back at 5 p.m. with another video update. Have a good day. Stay safe if you're in the cone of uncertainty. And remember to follow us on social media: Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for the latest tropical storm information. Have a good day. This is Operational Manager Todd Nardoni from the TNW News Operations Center. We are at a level 1 operational status.